7 futuristic technologies humanity will use by 2030. 2030 sounds distant, but the technologies that will transform our world are already emerging. In just a few years, artificial intelligence will operate as a doctor available 24/7, diagnosing diseases even before symptoms appear. Autonomous delivery swarms will fill the skies and streets, with drones and robots delivering everything without any human intervention. Smart contact lenses will bring augmented reality directly into your eyes, projecting information and digital layers onto the real world instantly. Fusion reactors will finally unlock clean, powerful, and nearly unlimited energy, capable of changing the way entire cities operate. Personal AI assistants will evolve to levels far beyond simple voice commands, becoming intelligent partners that outperform humans in many tasks. Nanomedicine will reach new heights, with microscopic robots repairing internal problems inside the body within minutes, revolutionizing healthcare forever. And brain-computer interfaces will allow people to interact with technology using nothing but thought, opening the door to a new era of human potential. If you want to witness the birth of this new world, don't leave without subscribing. The future won't wait. It has already begun.